Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Tonight we're going to continue our look at the online sales database. We'll continue to use SQL, specifically SQL Server SQL, TSQL to do our analysis. We'll of course use ChaGPT to help us write some code, okay? So let's begin by, let's give it a little and of course, okay. So back earlier I came over here, I just asked it to create a create statement for me. This way we know exactly what the table is looking like, and this also means that the ChatGPT will also know what the table looks like. We can close that now. Let's do this. Oh, very nice. So here's the first one. This one's fairly obvious, right? Let's just put a note down here. Let's try this. Okay, good. Let's come up here. Let's just do a round. It's going to be interesting to see how it actually handles the daily and monthly, you know. So as always, let's come over here. Let's now we got this. Let's format this as dollars. Okay. So let's go over here now. Let's just insert a plot. Interesting. Okay, good. Let's go with that. Okay, so there's our daily sales. Can we actually do a copy of this instead? Save as Excel. Is it possible to actually come over here? So that's the first question. We're off to a good start. Monthly sales twin, nothing monthly. So this is kind of interesting. one more time. Let's see, group by order by sales year, sales month. Very good. Now I think there's only 1 year. Okay, that's one thing. So sales month. Yeah. Okay. So there's one. So we got 2 years worth of data. Let's see. Over here. Oh, look at this. Did it open it up in the same one? No, it didn't. I thought maybe it opened up in the same one. Okay, let's do this. Save here. Monthly sales. Now, of course, with this one here, we could always all right. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's try inserting the plot. So let's don't do that then. Let's just try something a little funky. Let's insert a pivot table. And we want sales year and sales month. And we want monthly sales. Okay. Sales year. Sales month, monthly sales, okay. We only have one month. Insert plot. So we can do this then, right? Save that. So we got sales by month and year. Very good. And let's do sales by quarter, because we've only got 1 year. Okay, we've only got 1 year. Come back over here. we're going to change, because we only got 1 year, right? And of course, as always, be sure to stop by the chat session and say hi, alright? Okay, sales by quarter. Copy this. Come back. So what do we do up here? Sales by quarter. Year, date, part, quarter, sum sales, group by year and quarter. Interesting, it didn't create it. Well, it says sales quarter, so why didn't he just come up here and just use the functions there? Okay, that's quite all right. Let's see. Of course, we only have 5 quarters. And once again, what I want to emphasize is how we're using basic single table SQL, and we're getting some really useful metrics here, some really useful numbers. Okay. What happened? Did I forget? Round. Okie dokie. Let's try this. Can we click over here, copy, oops, we copied the wrong thing, didn't we? Do this. Copy with headers. That's interesting, isn't it? Huh. That didn't work out quite as planned. Select all, that's headers. Copy with headers. Oh, so that works, doesn't it? This way we can dump everything into a spreadsheet, right? Control A, Control, oops. Control A, Control T. Now, of course, we could actually do this, all this calculations here with what? With nothing more than we could do it all inside of Excel pivot table, right? Or we could do it all inside of Power Query or Power BI very easily. But hey, tonight it's all about once again, that isn't quite right, is it? Let's see. So let's go over here again. Let's insert pivot table, recommended pivot table. That one looks right, doesn't it? Yeah, that one looks right. Come over here. All separate. Sum of sales for each year. Okay, insert pivot table, table range, existing spreadsheet. Let's put it right up here. And let's see, sales year, sales row, and quarterly sales. Here, Pivot table options. Over here, now we can insert a plot. And there we have our plot, another plot. We got the sales by quarter. The good news is we saw a nice, pretty much a steady increase in sales by quarter in 2024. Oh, very nice, very nice. Let's save this. Okie dokie, let's come back over here for a bonus. Bonus. Save our work. So far I've been really pleased with the results that daily sales moving average. Oh, so what maybe we can do in that case is, oh my goodness, we could well, look at this. This is interesting. Interesting. All right. Well, that's interesting. So this one's kind of interesting. So what I do, what we want, we want to plot. Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's see. So is this a 7-day moving average? We're really cooking here, aren't we? Okay, this will actually be the last session for this evening. Okay, we've actually got a lot accomplished, didn't we? So let's just take a look here. Delete. So that doesn't look too bad, did it? Let's come over here. And let's just take a look at a plot here. Insert plot. Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed. That worked really well, didn't it? Oh. Of course, we can see this down here, can't we? Right. So let's make this. So that's going to be it for this evening. A quick 22-minute session. We got a lot accomplished tonight, didn't we? We completed a few more questions. All right, and we got a few more plots. So let's come over here now, and let's just do let's bring this session to a close, and we'll see you back over Sunday night when we pick up where we left off with some more sales.